Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called CourseCREEK. We help companies build online courses and e-learning solutions. And this composition is titled, What's an LMS? Well, first of all, an LMS stands for Learning Management System, okay? Now, what makes an LMS different than a CMS, a content management system, such as WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, are designed really only for front end, about me, bios, and that sort of thing. An LMS has all the elements that a CMS would have, that front end messaging, but it has all the high-tech automation on the back end so that it can serve a course and create memberships and turn transactions and those sorts of things. If you're interested in e-learning and creating a course, you're going to have to be very careful about which LMS you select. If and when that happens, contact us. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.